on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most incredible Slutty brownies. So the first thing you're going to do is get you some good brownie mix. You can make homemade brownies, but getting good brownie mix, I recommend that. I'll get you some cookie dough, some Snicker bars, and some Reese cups, and get the fun size. Like I said, you can make your own batter for your brownies or your own chocolate chip cookie recipe, but it'll be just simple and easy to go purchase this. But if you want to make your own, I got tons of videos on my channel you can go watch. But go ahead and get that cookie dough at the bottom of a 9x9 pan, and it really wasn't a ratio for the cookie dough. It just until I filled the bottom of the pan up, and that's what I did. It's easy if you had that cookie dough room temperature. It's spread a lot easier too. Little side note. But once you get that cookie dough down, go ahead and we're going to do one side full of Reese cups, and then the other side we're going to go Snicker bars. Now I know traditionally with the Slutty brownies, people use Oreos, I think. But I didn't want to put cookies on top of cookies. So that's why I went with my take on it and used the candy bars. So once you get that situated, go ahead and get your brownie mix mixed up. Like I said, get you some good quality brownie mix. Ghirardelli is good. Betty Crocker is good. Whatever you choose to use, just use it. But go ahead and make the brownie mix based on the box preference. So I just followed the box when I made these brownies. And once I got the brownies or the brownie mix set up, I then was able to pour the brownie mix on top of the candy bars and the chocolate chip cookies. And that's what you finna see here. But go ahead and get that brownie mix mixed together. Like I said, just follow the back of the box. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and pour it directly over our candy bars and our cookies. Like I said, traditionally with the Slutty brownie mix, they use Oreos, and I didn't want to put cookies on top of cookies. And yeah, I didn't invent the name Slutty brownies either, so don't beat me up about that. That's just the name they used on TikTok. And so once you get that together, go ahead and spread it out evenly, and then we're going to pop that into a 350 degree oven. And this thing cooked, no lie, for about 40 to 45 minutes. It took a while. I pulled it out after 30 minutes, and it was still really loose in the middle. So I just kept it in the oven until it was set, and I was able to pop a toothpick in there, and it came out sort of clean. And then I just set it on the stove and let the carryover cook finish it, and I let it rest for about 40 minutes to an hour before I even cut into it. But yeah, pop that into the 350 degree oven, and once it's done, pop it out and then remove that parchment paper. And I just had the parchment paper in a 9x9 pan because it was easy to remove the brownie and cut it versus trying to cut it in a pan. Just easier this way. But yeah, this thing is finished. Go ahead and transfer it onto your cutting board, and then go ahead and begin to cut this thing up. Now you want to kind of clean your knife in between cuts because you want to see each layer. And if you just cut, you get a lot of brownie on the knife, and it just mess up the layer where you really can't physically see in between the layers. But yeah, look at that, man. That's absolutely amazing. Now I'm not gonna lie, this brownie right here is extra rich and decadent. Like, one piece is too much, honestly. But it was a fun video to make and to see, like, the TikTok craze that people been going crazy about. And I know this video, for me making it, it's probably about a year out from when this thing was viral. But I still had to do my take on it, and it was an incredible recipe. If you got a chocolate lover or some people that just really love sweets, this thing is really decadent and really delicious. Like I said, it's just really rich, but it's a pretty cool recipe. I'm liking to do all these TikTok viral videos because it's just fun to see what other people are going crazy about and what they like, and just getting my take on it. And the brownie mix that I had a package of fudge in there, so I just went on top of these brownies with that package of fudge. But there you have it, man. The most amazing slutty brownies from the bistro style. Like I said, we didn't use Oreos because I didn't want to put cookies on top of cookies. So we used 2 type of candy bars, and we used the 2 best candy bars I think that ever exist or existed, and that is the Reese cup and the Snickers bar. So we was able to make our slutty brownies that way, and I think I put that in the caption too, so for people to see it. Like, this is not your traditional slutty brownie recipe. This is actually one that has Reese cups and Snickers, so it's a pretty cool recipe. But yeah, one thing, guys, for checking this video out, like, comment, share, subscribe. Slutty brownies from the bistro, man. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Like I said, we're over 3,000 subscribers, man. You guys are awesome. This channel is growing day by day. We're getting seen in Zambia, New Zealand, Australia. You guys are incredible, man. But thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Slutty brownies from the bistro. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.